With this cold Nairobi weather, everyone would appreciate a nice hot cup of tea and some nice and soft mandazis. So stay tuned. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple mandazi recipe that your family and yourself are gonna enjoy. So stick around till the end of this video. For this recipe, I'm going to use all-purpose flour, some butter, some milk. I'm using tea masala spice, but you could also use cinnamon, some sugar, baking powder, an egg, and I'll be mixing it up all using my hand mixer. So stay tuned. We are starting off with the dry ingredients, and then we're gonna dig a well inside the flour mixture and put in our wet ingredients. I am using my hand mixer to mix the mandazi mixture and knead it. So if you're using a hand mixer, you'll knead only for 7 minutes, but if you're kneading by hand, you're gonna knead for 14 minutes. Here I am using unsalted butter, though if you have margarine at hand, you can use margarine instead. If you're using butter like me, make sure you've let it soften up a bit, because if you don't soften it up, it's going to be hard for you to put it into the mixture. So I ended up grating my butter, as you can see. I had to go in with my hands because I was not getting the right consistency with my hand mixer. So you can see me there kneading with my hands. After a few minutes, you roll your ball of dough into a big surface. The shape doesn't matter at this particular point. All you need to note is that don't roll your dough too thin. It's not supposed to be as thin as a chapati. It needs to be thick. So when it's thick, you give it capacity to puff up and to just have a nice texture of your mandazi. So don't make it too thin. If you thin it out, it's going to be hard. Your mandazis are gonna be hard. That's the thickness you should have, not too thin. When you're happy with the wide surface of your dough, you can now begin cutting the mandazis into small shapes. So you shape as desired. You could want triangles or boxes or rectangles. It all depends on what you like. comment down below. Let me know, do you like your mandazis round, square shaped, or triangle? Comment down below. If you're an OG to this channel, you know this hack already. This is how we test our oil to see if it's ready. You take a mwiko, put it upside down. If it forms bubbles around, that means your oil is ready to go. You want your oil to be medium to high heat, so not too very hot and also not cold. As soon as you remove your mandazis, make sure they drip some oil and put them aside on a kitchen paper towel so that also the remaining oil from the mandazis may drip into the kitchen towel or serviette, whichever you have around your house. You can use that. Now I'm going to show you how they look on the inside. Nice and well cooked. And the outside, it looks golden brown. So this is how you make the simplest mandazi recipe. If you've made it to the end of this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or two. If you're new to this channel, I really hope you subscribe to my channel for more cooking, lifestyle, and cleaning videos. If you enjoy that kind of content, be sure to join the family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you know every time I post. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.